Hello lovely people, welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for clicking. In today's video we are looking at these flyers for beginners. Okay, so if you're a beginner and you don't know how to go about designing flyers, you have come to the right place. And also, sorry guys for not coming to online nowadays, but I'll try my best. Okay, so I have this design over here. Okay, and let's see how I went about it. So I'm not going to go through everything step by step with you guys, but I'm just going to walk you guys through. Okay, so you can see that I started by a blank new layer. So control A, then I choose, I think, inches 10 by 10. So 10 by 10 inches. Then I have this canvas. So if you have this canvas, what are you going to do next? Okay, so the next thing that I did was to bring in a background. So I brought in this background. Okay, the opacity was 100%, just like this, but it was too much for me, so I reduced it to 45. Okay, so you can see the 45 over here. Then also you see that here is too bright, so I wanted to blur it a bit, and then I apply a layer mask over here. So you can see the layer mask over here, and then I came up and drew this line. Okay, to give it some dimension. Then also I drew one on top of it, so this is going to be a background, and also I apply a gradient on this one, so you can see the gradient overlay. So if you open, you can see the gradient over here. Okay, then also I brought in this line, and then I filled with a black color, and then also I brought the same gradient that it is here, and then small line just like this, and also I brought this small line, and then I started bringing my text. So this is the contact number, then location, then the number came, and also we have the location. So immediately you can see that we have done here, or we are done with this part. Then I move on to say we do nationwide delivery, and also I brought in this big line. So one thing about design is implementing shapes. Okay, so this is one of the principles of graphic design. So implementing shapes in your works is going to make it flow or nice. So you can see that I just implemented the shapes, and this is the shape. This is a shape I drew here. Then I added this image. So you see that this one I have created a clipping mask. If you don't know a clipping mask, so let's say this is the image, but you want it to occupy some portion. So what you are going to do is that you bring the image on top of the layer that you want to clip it to. Then you right click, and then you create a clipping mask. Okay, to create effect like this. Okay, then you position the image on how you want it to review out. Then also you come to this portion, another shape over there, then the image itself, another shape, the image, and also I think I changed the image, and then another shape, and I change the image over here. So let's choose this one, this tiny circle or ellipse over here, to make it dope. And then also I brought another one filled with white, and then I came to the other side with another shape. Then if you want to corner the edges just like this, all that you need to do is to you double click on this guy, and then you drag. Or what you are going to do is that make sure, let's say you don't have this property but you have the layer selected, then you go to window, then you search for the word property, then you are going to come across this one. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now is that I am going to do an offer for the beginners or anyone who need designs like this to speed up your workflow. What you are going to do is that we are going to sell this template. It's not, I have a main channel which you can see over here with code templates. Okay, I'm not going to upload the designs over there, designs that recently have not been able to upload my designs to our template where we sell, but I'm going to gather about 50 templates, cool templates that you can use in your workflow. So all these ones are parts. Okay, so you can see cool designs. This one is also part. We have this one is also part. And also when I come to, let me go back. And also when I come to, let's say we have cool letterhead that I'm going to add, and also we have some handkerchief designs I'm going to add as well. So you just pay for 100 cedis. I'm going to create a Telegram platform to have access to all these designs, and also some cool funeral template that you can also get from our store. Then we have some birthday designs you can print on t-shirt or whatever that you want to print on it. Then also we have some cool church designs that I am also going to add at the end of the day. Please, sorry for the noise, I'm printing something, that is why you can hear the noise. Okay, so you are going to have access to all these cool designs on the Telegram platform. If you pay 100 cedis, I'm going to leave a link where you can pay the 100 cedis directly online. Then immediately it's going to send you a link, or it's going to lead you straight to join the Telegram platform. Or otherwise, you can message me directly. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number on the screen, so you WhatsApp me directly, then you pay the money through my Momo, and I'll add you to have access to these cool designs. Okay, so without further ado, we have some invitation designs, we have banner designs, so all of these designs is going to be added. Okay, so we have some cool designs that we are going to include all of them. So you just come, we have some cool citation as well. This one too, wow, very nice. We can sell this one alone, but we are going to just add this guide for you guys to have a different taste. And also we have some book designs that you can also have access to, and then you can use it in your workflow. So, and also we have some label designs. I think they are here. We have some label designs that I'll add. So we have some cool label designs. So without further ado, let's complete this video. So with this one, I went forward to add this detail, and also this ones, okay, the items the person is selling, and also we have some cool images of what you are trying to create the adverts on it. Then also we brought the name with some nice gradients on it, and also we have the jewelry. So you see that we use the different text here to make it more nice, more catchy. So this is the name of the font we use, and also this is the name of the font that we use. Okay, so that brought us to the end of this flyer. Okay, so we have some more designs that we can walk you through. So with this one, you see that we started with an empty canvas, then we brought in this background, and immediately we started bringing in details like this. So but I didn't design this one from scratch. It is a friend who came to print it out, and I saw, or I found it attractive, and I wanted to share with you guys. So you see that he uses some labels over here that you got from one of the websites, and he just added his items on it, and you see that it is cool. He is good to go. You see that he added this bar at the back to make it more attractive, and you see that he also started adding images and adding these small details to make it pop and unique. So you see that very simple, adding all these details, journey to the east. Okay, so with this small approach, you can come up with cool designs like this in Photoshop. I hope you liked today's tutorial, and if you want to see more such videos in the future, please don't forget to like the video, leave us a comment, let us know what you think about this video. Until next time, keep creating and never give out. I'm out.